my name is Paul Schijfsma. I'm senior engineer and head of the R&D department of Stageco Netherlands. We build stages for big tours and festivals. For a company like Stageco, it's very important to own your own software and CAD licenses. Because there's so much relying on the drawings, there's so much relying on the whole CAD system. From just the simple drawings, which are the first indicator of what a construction is going to cost, until load lists and the drawings for the people who have to build the structure. BricsCAD is most important in our work because of its functionality, the speed in which it works, the speed in which you can see all the aspects of the drawings. Definitely a big time saver. We've had CAD programs in the past which were also DWG based. And when you have a large drawing, because we do pretty large constructions with a lot of parts, and when you then want to rotate or zoom in or zoom out, you just have to wait again and again. And all the structure is pretty open, the program is pretty open to make own applications for your specific needs. Besides the speed that BricsCAD brought us, it also brings a big advantage in the Dutch event industry, because there's a company in Holland which has made a shell around BricsCAD, which is especially made for the event industry, and also has a lot of libraries, like libraries with light, with scaffolding, with PA, with video. So it makes it very easy to exchange drawings or to upfront see where problems are going to occur. My name is Paul Schijfsma, but now I'm known as the guy who brought in BricsCAD at Stageco.